Hello students, now we go to the next lesson, which is the poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree. Now this well-known poem explores the poet's longing for the peace and tranquility of Innisfree, a place where he spent a lot of time as a boy. This poem is a lyric. Now first I read this poem, and this poem is written by William Butler Yeats. We also called as W.B. Yeats. I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin build there of clay and wattles made. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the vales of the morning to where the cricket sings, there midnights all a glimmer and noon a purple glow, and evenings full of the linnet's wings. I will arise and go now, for always night and day I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore, while I stand on the roadway or on the pavement's grey, I hear it in the deep heart score. Now in this poem, the rhyming of this poem is, as you see here, the first line ends with Innisfree and the third line ends with honeybee. Second line ends with maid and fourth line ends with glade. So this one A and B, B. The rhyming of this paragraph is AB, AB. So in second paragraph, last word of first line is end with slow. So we call it A. Second and third is glow. So we name it A. Second is sings and wings. So that one is called BB. Day, grey, shore, core. Day and grey, shore and core. So these are the rhyming scheme of this poem. So student, in this poem, the poet has decided to go to Innisfree. That one is an island. He will build a small hut of clay and wattles. He does not want to raise a kitchen garden. He just wants to sow 9 rows of beans. He wants to keep bees there, in an open space among trees. The poet hopes to have peace there. He will watch the sun rising from the behind the veils of mist and hear the cricket sing. He will hear the loud buzzing of honeybees and see flocks of linnet returning home in the evening. At midnight, the lake glimmers, at noon it shines, bright and purple. Though he is away in the city, he hears the waves of the lake ripple in the depth of his heart. So students, in this poem, the poet wants to go and live in a lake, Isle of Innisfree, where the peace are there and he spend their time in peace. So you have to read this poem and write it in your fair notebook. Thank you.